Hey guys, it's Pokejack here.
And Mrs. Pokejack.
Today we're in the car. We're at Walmart. And we're gonna try opening a couple packs quick on the way. No sleeves or anything.
Okay. One moment, please. Holding a shovel. Snivy. Seal. Haluka. Lucha. Barbacle.
Barbacle.
Aromatis. See? Rose's encouragement.
It's hard in the car.
Snivy. Drapion. And a Ching Pow.
Chime pow.
Ching Pow. Alright, Jack.
Get my socks in there. Meowth is Meowth. Oh, I guess I can put them back in there, eh? Code card. Right side up, upside down. Energy. Funnelby. Pokemon Catcher. Nose Pass. Snivy. Lumiel City. Diggersby. Energy Water. It's water. Aromatissi. Probopass! Illustration Rare.
Ah,
And a Growing Energy.
good one, Pokejack.
Thank you guys for watching.
Pokejacks.
Out.